Welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful tools you have, your inner voice and intuition. Often, the deepest messages from your Orisha come not through signs or symbols, but through a quiet inner knowing. Learning to listen and trust this inner voice can open the door to your divine connection. So let's discover how to tune in and hear what your Orisha is trying to tell you. Why is your inner voice important? Your intuition is like a divine radio station, always broadcasting, but sometimes you need to tune in, certainly to hear the message clearly. When an Orisha is calling, they often communicate through feelings, impressions, or subtle nudges deep within your spirit. This inner voice is a sacred guide, helping you navigate your spiritual journey. Recognize your guidance Orisha and make decisions aligned with your highest good. How to recognize your inner voice? Feeling of deep resonance or comfort. When you think about a particular Orisha, say Yemoja or Shongo, do you feel a sense of peace, excitement, or familiarity? That is your inner voice, attuning to that energy. It often feels like a gentle nudge or a warm sensation. Sudden thoughts or insight. Sometimes a clear idea or realization pops into your mind unexpectedly. This isn't just random. It could be your inner voice guiding you toward your Orisha's energy or attributes. Persistent inner urges. If you keep feeling drawn to certain symbols, color, or stories, pay attention. Your intuition might be urging you to explore that particular Orisha more deeply. Physical sensations. Some people experience tingling, butterfly, or warmth when thinking about or invoking their Orisha. These physical sensations are messages from your spirit guiding you. How to strengthen your connection to your inner voice. Practice stillness and meditation. Spend time daily in quiet reflection. Focus on your breath, clear your mind, and ask your inner self for guidance. Over time, your inner voice becomes clearer. Ask open-minded questions. During meditation or prayer, pose gentle questions like, which Orisha is guiding me? And listen for the subtle impressions or feelings that arise. Trust your gut feelings. Your initial instinct is often the most accurate. If something feels right, follow it. If it feels off, honor that feeling and explore further. Create personal rituals. These rituals can amplify your inner connection, recognizing the voice among other thoughts. Your inner voice may sometimes be drawn out by daily worries or distractions to distinguish divine guidance from random thoughts. Be patient and gentle with yourself. Notice the tone. Divine messages often come with calm, clarity, and love, not fear or confusion. Repeat your questions or intentions and observe what impressions or feelings come up afterward. Remember, your inner voice is a sacred tool, your personal connection to the divine. Learning to listen takes practice, patience, and trust. When you tune in, you will find that your Orisha is speaking to you through feelings, impressions, and subtle nudges, waiting for you to recognize and accept their guidance. This inner voice is your divine compass. Trust it, nurture it, and let it lead you on your spiritual paths. If you have experienced moments when your intuition guided you to your Orisha. Share your story in the comment section below so that others can be inspired. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on developing your spiritual connection. Thank you for watching. Remember, Divine Guide is always speaking. Are you listening? Bye for now.